My name is Ruben. If you look at my house, there is no water leakage, but the house at the below there, you can see that it looks a little bit like the lime cave, where you have like water droplets, and you have like some complications in what you call puddles of water in certain areas of the floor. So they asked me to cover up the grout and things like that. However, I didn't do a very good job. I think at the time I did it myself because they didn't tell me about anything like this kind of technology that we have. So after the waterproofing has been applied, we waited 2.5 days before we actually used the bathroom. And what I can notice is that the water flow on the ground, right, it basically moves very naturally into the water holes, the manhole and so on. It doesn't like seep into the flooring, and the texture of the floor feels very nice. Even after the application of everything, the whole experience looks very neat and clean. I actually recommended some friends who have apartments that are experiencing water leakage to use Nano-G